The topic at hand is names, and names play an important role in Excel in being able to identify a group of cells without having to go back and figure out what the range is. For instance, budget 4175 here ranges from A2 down to D6. Well, you have to remember that every time that you want to try to mess with that budget. There is an easier way, and that is to give it a name, and then you just can refer to it as a name. There are three ways in order to name a group of cells, and these three sections, we're going to give them each a name and do it in a different way. So we up here on the formula, excuse me, on the formula tab, there is define name. And we are going to give this the name budget 4175. Now, please understand that it has to begin with a letter and there can be no spaces. That's just one of the rules that they set up. So that is now budget 4175. And if I come over here, this is the name box. That is the only name that I have is budget 4175. All right, now I'm going to highlight budget 4196. The second way is to click into this cell up here, budget, and as I'm going to follow procedures with an underline, excuse me, 4196. Press return. So now I have two budget names up here. I have budget 4175 and I have budget 4176. You can see how this could really make it a lot easier for you. So we're going to highlight this bottom section here now. We want to call this summary. So the third way is either to right click or control click on this and come down here at the bottom. It's off the screen, I apologize for that, but delete names is way down here at the bottom. And now we are going to add summary here. And so now we have three different names that we can call, and you can say sum a name. You can do all kinds of things to it. But one of the other things that's kind of cool on this, I'm going to fix something here, is that if we are over on another sheet and we want to take a look at what that looked like, this shows that we are at F9 on the third sheet. I can go up here and say, take me to budget 4175, and it will instantly take me. Names are an awesome way of saving time.